Hey y'all, buenvenidos. How y'all doing? Welcome back for another one. Hey, 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 hey. No. What's up, peoples? How y'all doing? hmm So, what we got on the menu today is chicken and broccoli Alfredo fettuccine, y'all. And guess what? The hubby done hooked it up. He cooked for me, y'all. What? Y'all already high five it. Bam. Yeah, he cooked me. Even though my birthday is tomorrow, October 29th. It's my birthday. He works for my birthday, y'all. So he kind of went ahead and cooked for me sooner. So he made, like I said, chicken, broccoli Alfredo for me with some garlic bread, which y'all can probably see. Yes, y'all. And he baked me a chocolate cake, well, a yellow cake with some chocolate frosting, y'all. Hey, that's good eating right there. Look, I just took a slice. Y'all, double layer cake. Look at that. Yum, people. My babe, he took care of me. Yes, he did. So, without further ado, let's get into it, people. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What y'all eating with me? Get in my comments. Talk to me. What y'all eating with me? We got some big chunks of chicken right here. Let me see. My bowl is hot, y'all. It's going to be a quick one, a quick show. And I got some nice ice cold water right here, y'all. Ready? Like I said, this is hot. It's going to be a quick show. Here we go. Look. Oh, there goes the broccoli, y'all. Oh, man. I lost the noodle. Got chunks of chicken. There y'all go. Get a bite. Go ahead. You know that's good. I got to dig in, y'all. I got to dig in. Ready? Buen provecho. Don't mind if I do. Let me get this close, people. I don't need no hot noodle falling on my neck. Mmm. 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 That's good, people. Mm-hmm. I don't know if y'all can see that steam or not, but there's steam coming out this bowl. So how my friends doing? How y'all doing, friends? Ooh, I gotta get into this broccoli right here. It's hot. Mmm. Ain't nothing better than some broccoli, people. It'd be so good. Look at that steam, y'all. He done cooked it till the noodles were just right. I'm a picky person when it comes to noodles. I know some people like their noodles al dente, some like the mushy. Mine's got to be just right, and these are just right. Mm. Ain't no slurping action with these thick old noodles. Fettuccine noodles is too thick to slurp. Mm. I'm looking at that cake, y'all. I can't wait to dig in. Mm. That's good stuff. Mm. I be so close to y'all. I be like right here in HD. What's up? Let me get this noodle that fell over here. Let's try this cornbread. I mean, not cornbread. You hear me? I can't wait for the holidays. I'm thinking about cornbread. It's garlic bread. It's not that crunchy because you guys gotta remember I'm still going to the dentist here and I have issues, so I can't have anything too crispy and whatnot. So it's all right. Mm. No, excuse me. Mm. Let me get a chunk of this chicken. Mm-hmm. This is really good, people. I wish I could share it with you guys. It's just that good. And I didn't serve myself that much, or the hubby didn't serve that much, because I never get to finish my food with y'all on camera. So I'm hoping I get to finish my food with y'all today. Yep. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Watch me rock now. Hey, it's my birthday and I could dance if I want to. Oh yeah. Hey shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Go me, go me. Nah. Let me stop. Let me stop. That's all right. Go ahead. Y'all can sing me happy birthday. Let's go. Hey, happy birthday, Sola. Happy birthday. Hey, why don't y'all like this video? Telling me happy birthday. If y'all just coming through, like this video. Hey, if you like it, subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified, y'all. So you could catch all my videos whenever I upload. Leave me a comment. Mm. Ooh, it's still hot to the bottom. This is good. It's real good, baby. Thank you. Welcome. Rivers of living waters. Water be so good for you, y'all. Even though I know sometimes I be like, oh my God, I need something with flavor. I need something with some fizz. But water be so good. Especially if it's nice and cold. Water be the bomb. It do. You can you can never go wrong with water. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. The birthday girl shouldn't be birthday. Excuse me. Mm, this is pretty good. I love me a good Alfredo. Who needs to go to Olive Garden when you could come and make this at home for much cheaper? Mm, mm. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, excuse me. I'm still, I'm still going through it with this little cold here, y'all. I have a trash can, little trash thing over there. But yeah, I'm still going through it. Ever since I got that flu shot, I don't know. Like I said in my other video, I don't know if I'm ever gonna get it again. I say that now because I'm going through it. But next year I'm gonna be like, who got the flu shot? I need my flu shot, y'all. I just be scared that we're gonna get attacked with the influenza for real, for real. And I feel like I'm gonna be the only one out there immune to it. But I know I'm gonna get just as sick as everybody else, having a shot or not. God forbid. Mm. You saw that? That noodle was so long I think it touched my throat. Did it? You heard me? I said throat. I mean throat. For real, I feel like it touched my skin down here. But that was a good bite. Mm, mm, mm. But yeah, like I said, the holidays are coming. I'm already thinking, oh, what am I gonna cook for Thanksgiving? Are you guys ready? Did you buy your turkeys already? I hope you did because they already got Christmas decorations out. They ready for Christmas. I bet you that as soon as Thanksgiving comes, the Dollar Tree is gonna have decorations for Easter. I bet you. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna check because in September they had Christmas decorations. You think I'm lying? I ain't lying. One side of the back wall they had Halloween decorations and Christmas in September. I kid you not. I was like, oh my God, are they serious? Excuse me. I was like, I couldn't believe this. I could not believe it. I was like, they is stripping right now. But yeah, probably next week or this week coming up, I'm probably gonna go get my turkeys and stuff. Well, not turkeys, not ease, just turkey. Big bite, y'all. For you big bite lovers out there. Hey, oh, mm, mm. I don't know what I'm gonna make though. Sometimes it's like, oh, it's so boring of making the same stuff every year. But that's what everybody enjoys eating, right? But you know, us Spanish people, we extra. We like to do different things. We make pernils, we make jamon, we make roast pork shoulders, we make ham, rice and beans, arroz con candule. You know what I'm gonna miss this year? That I've missed for the past 4 years? Pasteles. Oh, I'm missing those. I'm missing those greatly. I'm so missing those. I don't even know how to tell you what they are in English. I'm sorry, guys. They're like I don't even want to say like a tamale because I don't know if they are or not, but they are so good. I miss those. And I know my mama and family are gonna get together because they get together every year and they make like 1,000 of them, so they can have some all year long. No, they make enough so like that they could split some between, my mama, my sister, her family. They split up so they could all have some, throughout the year. And I don't get none. Nobody wants to ship me any. What kind of mess is this? I'm gonna have to call my lawyer about that. Mom, so if you watch this video, somebody random walks up to you, run! I'm just kidding. I'm joking. I went through my mama like that, y'all. But it's just me and the hub, so we'll probably do something small. I even told him, hey, how about we don't cook and go out to eat? But he made a valid point. Is anything open on Thanksgiving that we could go to dinner? I doubt it. Who knows? Maybe the one and only restaurant that stays open even through the apocalypse is Denny's. So I'll go have one of their turkey dinners with their cranberry sauce from the can. Y'all, look at that. I put a hurting in this bowl. You saw that big old bowl that I had. Woo. Yes, I did. Mm-hmm. Can you imagine? Just go with me for a minute. Just, I'm goofy, so goofy stuff comes to my mind. Imagine if you became the last thing you ate. What would that be? Get in my comments. I want to know. So the last thing I would become would be chocolate cake. Because that's going to be the last thing I eat with y'all. I'd be chocolate cake. Wouldn't that be awesome? Everybody would love me. Everybody. Well, I don't know. Hubby doesn't too much care for chocolate. But he could scrape the frosting off of me and eat the cake anyway. Baby, you would still love me just with a little bit of chocolate. Yeah. Yeah. He'd keep me. But I'd be chocolate cake, y'all. What would you be? I'm so curious to know. Get in my comments. Just play with Sola for a while. I just want to know. Tell me. Oh, I ate the whole bowl. The whole stinking bowl. It was good. It was good. My birthday dinner was a success. Oh my god. I feel like it's all right here. Whew. Woo! Oh man. Y'all, when I say that was so good, that was so good. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. Dun, 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 dun. Once upon a time, there was this chocolate cake, and it was blasted off into oblivion. And it was no longer, no longer. Um, happy birthday to me. Mm, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Mm, it's so good and fluffy. Mm, y'all need a bite. Oh my god. OMG. Sorry. Here, y'all need a bite. Here, take a bite, please. Yum. Happy birthday to me. Mm. Happy birthday to me. I love the chocolate cake. Mm. Oh my god. I hope nobody's looking at me through the window because they're going to be like, oh, we need to commit that lady across the way. I don't care. Mind your business. All right, y'all. I'm going to go on ahead and finish this cake over here. But I appreciate y'all joining me, spending a little time with your girl on her birthday. I need me some milk with this chocolate cake. Water's not gonna cut it. But thank you for joining me. I don't want to go, but I don't want you to go, but we have to. So until the next one, guys. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye, guys.